Hello everyone, this is Sammy from Blue Brain Pieces, and today we have a package from Beebeecraft. We're going to be opening this package to see what they sent me. I don't really remember what they sent me. So let's take a look. Let's open. Let me just pull it. Let's see. I believe this is wire, 18 gauge gold wire. I'm going to open that in a minute. Let's take out the rest of the packaging. This is gold plated jewelry findings. I'm going to open that. And I got some of these findings. And these beautiful beads. These beads are so pretty. So let's start with the gold wire first. Open that. Let's see what it's looking like. I always need gold wire. I seem to run out a lot. I think I use silver more than I use gold. So I don't always order as much as I can. Or much as I need to anyway. Let's open. And nice color. I like the color on it. And this is 18 gauge wire. Gonna make me a nice project with that. Next are these beads. Let's see what they're called. They're pretty multicolored bead. Let's open them. I'll make us some nice, maybe some earrings with this one. Look at that. They're so pretty. Like an antique bead. Look at those. They're nice. I might add a few into a bracelet and a pair of earrings. They're nice. They're pretty. They have like a little flower in gold. They're so pretty. So use those. And these. This is 20 strands. I didn't know it was going to be that many. Get those. Oh my goodness. Look at those beads. They are so pretty. We're definitely going to make a necklace out of these. Look at that shimmer on there. I've looked on Beebeecraft before, but I never really, looked to buy anything. And when I went to look at the things they had, I didn't know they had such beautiful products. Look at that. I didn't know there was going to be so many of them. Almost like a mermaid glass. Like a pink shimmer. We're going to have fun with these. And we have some of these findings. I'm going to definitely make a pair of earrings with these. They're pretty. The earring, or you think you can make them the ends of a bracelet. A string bracelet. They're going to be pretty. I can't wait. And then just some findings that I got, because they're earring findings. They're like gold, a little curly, different than the normal earring findings I have. Well, that is a pretty silver. They are pretty. I like that. Let's get those back. Then we have some gold. Same thing, just in gold. So we are definitely going to be making some earrings with that. They are pretty. They unhinge one so you can see the shape of it. See, they have that little curl on them. That is so pretty. A little different. Earring finding. So those are probably going to be paired with these lovely beads and maybe a few of these. I'm definitely going to try to make a necklace with these. I haven't made a necklace online yet, so I'll definitely be doing that. And that is our Beebeecraft haul. So stay tuned. I'll probably make some earrings and maybe a couple bracelets with the stuff that I got from Beebeecraft. Definitely going to use the wire and try the wire out. Making a bracelet with that and these lovely pretty beads. Thanks for watching.